Hello, my friends. Phil Pravda here, SuitCafe, SuitCafe.com. And I could say right now that the new website is up. We finally got it up and running. I mean, it could always be up and running at any time, but we just waited to get it almost exactly right, the design that we wanted. And then we're going to be editing live all throughout the rest of, the end of this month, of course, which is already today. And of course, next month, we'll be adding new products every single day. We got brand new ties, just like the tie that I'm wearing right here. This is a beautiful tie, hand-woven silk tie from England. We have a lot made in England now. Beautiful scarves in cashmere, reversible cashmeres. We have one color on one side, the other color on the other side. Beautiful double-sided silk twill with beautiful patterns, with long fringes, with hand-knotted fringes. Gorgeous. Well, I'm going to do videos about those separately. But anyway, this video is an unboxing video of the most amazing sneakers I ever made. I mean, amazing. I have the box right here. Here's the box. We're going to do the unboxing in just a second. And this is going to be amazing. This is something you're going to want to come back to as soon as I do this break for the logo and my theme song, if you like my theme song, and get your whole family together to check out these sneakers. Here we go. Welcome back, everyone. Phil Pravda here, SuitCafe.com, and you could see some of the website right here on my screen next to me. We have different sections: suits, jackets, shoes, of course, and ties and pocket squares and matching sets. If you see the one on the screen right now, beautiful navy blue and white polka dot tie with the matching handkerchief, and I also made a beautiful silk scarf, all matching, a three-piece set with navy and white fringes, hand-knotted fringes. So please check that out because it's really gorgeous. If you want to buy someone a beautiful gift who enjoys those kind of things, this is something that nobody else has. I mean, nobody has it. So what else does nobody have are these shoes right here. So we're going to take these shoes right here. And you all know the drill. We're going to do the smell test. We're going to open them up. I already opened up the tape. And we're going to open up these shoes right now to show them to you. Get the box out of the way. And here we go. Let's do the smell test and see exactly what this is. How do you like my gold bar? Like my gold bar over there? Okay, here we go. I'm going to do the smell test. I'll open up the tissue paper. Ooh, each one individually wrapped. And I see some plastic. Ooh, what do I smell? The smell test is not suede. It is leather. I also smell rubber because I know already that this is a sneaker. So we got the rubber bottom. It's a new type of rubber bottom for a sneaker. And let's see what it looks like. Okay, the unveiling. Here we go. Ready? Let me see if I can get my hands without the plastic. Okay, this is going to be something crazy. 1, 2, and 3. Whoa, look at that. Is that unbelievable or what? Look at those. I mean, look at those sneakers. We the people. Look at that. We the people. On one side, the other side, of course, the American flag on the other side. I'll hold it nice and steady. And the toe. Look at the toe. The Statue of Liberty on the toe. Now, the most amazing part is what's on the back. The little pull part where you put your foot. You don't want to step on this because that breaks your sneakers. I know a lot of people like to put their sneakers on and they go bam and they smash this part, but don't do that. Make sure your laces are loose enough. Get your foot in without smashing this. Especially, I'm going to give you a close-up of this. Who could tell me what that is? What does that look like to you? Going to hold it really still. What is that? That is George Washington crossing the Delaware River. Is that unbelievable? In the Revolutionary War. George Washington crossing the Delaware River. I'm trying to get that focus in for you perfectly. Let me see if I hit it right on that square. I got to hit that square. Where is it? Almost. Okay. Right there. You should get a really good focus. If I stay really still. George Washington crossing the Delaware River. And look at that. And then you have the bottom, of course. Beautiful rubber bottom. Right? The white, the light is a little bright. So it's got a nice tread. I can't see it on my screen here, but maybe you could see it on your. Oh, when I turn it to the side a little bit, you can see it. You can see it right there. See, there you go. Beautiful sneaker bottom. Has reinforced toe. The thread is navy blue over here to match. That's all done by hand. And the inside, of course, white lining, white leather lining. But what do you think about that? I mean, that's pretty incredible, I think, anyway. Beautiful, beautiful sneaker. What do you want to call this? The Liberty sneaker? The Patriot sneaker? If anybody wants one, please, in the comments, I can make you one, even a different variation of this. Doesn't have to be exactly the same. We could do all the American flag. We could do the full Declaration of Independence on both sides. We don't have to put Statue of Liberty on the toe if you don't like it there. We can move it around. We could switch sides, right? We could put the Constitution on the inside and the American flag on the outside. We could also do the tongue. We could do the toe and the tongue, full American flag. We could do that too. Right? Or we could put George Washington crossing the Delaware completely on the whole side of it, as opposed to just on the back pull tab right there. But I think they came out pretty amazing. I'm going to take out the other one because this is something, I mean, usually when I do shoes, you only have to look at one, right? But I think this one, we have to look at both. So let's take this one out also. I think we'll call it the Patriot sneaker, right? The Patriot sneaker? I think so. Whoa, look at that. Unbelievable. Right? See, they're all a little different because you have on the inside, right? Each one a little different because they're put together by hand, each panel. Right? You have the toe there with the Statue of Liberty. Right? And you have also, of course, let me take a look. GW. There he is. GW on the back. You got GW on the back there, crossing the Delaware River. That's pretty amazing. That really is. And We the People on the side right there. And let's see how they look. Now, at the end of this video, you'll see some photographs of these sneakers. I'll hold them together here for you so you can see them, how nice those are. And really, I could put anything on it. I mean, you have your home country. If it's not the United States, we can put Italian flags. We could put Spain, any flag from any place. Just, tell me what you like. We can make a pair of sneakers with the flag from your country on there. Whatever you want. If you know some particular things or things in your culture that you want to put on the sneaker, send me a picture and it could be done. And you have the back there, George Washington with the American flag. I love the back. That's the best part. So there you have it. The gorgeous. I mean, just really gorgeous. These took a while. To make. I don't want to tell you how long they took because there was some issues with the printing, but it all got straightened out. Now it won't take as long. But there you go. The Patriot sneakers. I hope you really like them. I like them. Tomorrow, these are going to go to the great state of Michigan. That's where these are going, to Michigan, everybody. So there you have it. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you see the rest of my unboxing videos as the year goes by. A lot of new things on the website. It's a brand new website. Check it out. New things going on daily. And I'll be doing videos on Instagram, on TikTok, and on YouTube of all the new cashmere scarves, the beautiful silk scarves, 70 inches long silk, so you could double wrap them around with the long fringes. And unbelievable. Oh, by the way, beautiful wool swatches from Scotland of one of the oldest Scottish mills for tartan plaid. So if you like tartan plaid and all the colors, or if your last name is from Scottish descent and you want to know what the tartan plaid is of your last name, I can get that for you. And you can have a coat or a sport jacket or even a bomber, just a cool bomber zip up made in the tartan of your family. So I could do that too. Really bespoke stuff, people. Really, really bespoke. This is not just take your measurements and boom, we make a suit or we make a sport jacket. This is you thinking what you like, what you want, and then I make it happen. So there you go. Patriot sneaker. See you all again when I'm back at it.